Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your story in Facebook app. So first of all, open your Facebook app. Now in the screen you'll see your profile picture and plus sign. It's written create a story. Tap on that. You can add text, make a boomerang, mood, selfie, or poll. You can select picture from gallery. Also you can select multiple pictures at the same time, and also take a recent picture from selfie option. So here I'll be showing you uploading my story from my gallery. So I'll tap on anyone. After you have selected the picture, tap on save to story, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, it's processing, so wait for some time. So here I have successfully uploaded my story in my Facebook account. So this is how you can upload story on your Facebook account. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.